You can be highway royalty with this pre-owned luxury. This is a pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition, frosty white. It's got the bronze rocker all the way down, V8 power underneath the hood. Now, it does have 20-inch aftermarket wheels on it with all-terrains, electric side steps, inside heated and vented bucket seats, B&O premium sound system, center console shifter, connectivity, but an upgraded center screen. Oh yeah, this is aftermarket, but it works like a charm. Now we've got pro trailering, four-wheel drive controls here, traditional gauges with digital driver information station, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electric pedals, electric tilt, panoramic sunroof. The interior is immaculate. These big, huge mats on the floor. Everything is clean. Rear air, 12 volts of power, USB hubs, heated second row, and a power inverter, and plenty of room for cargo here. We have a hard tonneau cover that's foldable, coated bed and lighting, and they left one of the cleats in there. So awesome. This thing just has 60,000 miles on it. Pre-loved, ready for a trailer. Come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl for this pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition with some awesome upgrades. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.